Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert crypto on Coinbase wallet. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to sell or convert crypto on your Coinbase wallet, first you have to sign into your Coinbase account. So unfortunately, it's not available in my country. Coinbase doesn't really work here, but the Coinbase wallet actually does. So I'll just guide you on how to do it so you can sign in your web browser or the application itself. So you have to just sign into your Coinbase account. Then at the top you'll have to select click or buy and sell and just go to convert. Again, we just go to the top right and click buy, then buy or sell, then convert. There will be a panel with the option to convert one cryptocurrency to another, and then after that you'll have to enter the cash amount of cryptocurrency you would like to convert into your local currency. So after that you'll have to click preview content. It will show all the details there. Then after that you'll have to confirm the conversion transaction. So after that, that's it. It's just like that. It's so easy to convert crypto on your Coinbase wallet. It's very simple. Just follow the steps and you'll be on your way. So if you like this video, thank you for watching.